Hello everyone, this is your Amit sir and I welcome you all in Standard 9. Today I am going to start the first chapter of the English book Beehive. This is The Fun They Had. This story is written by Isaac Asimov. This is a science fiction story. In short, we will say a sci-fi story. Students, Isaac Asimov was an American author. He had written so many short stories having the plot of science and scientific discoveries. This story is a very funny story, and this will give you the sense that which kind of environment will be in the future. This story is set in the future when the books and the schools are quite different from the present context. Here you can see in the first page, a boy is learning through the computers. There is a virtual classroom and there is a robot which is written as a robotic teacher, and you can see the set of computers. That means in future the technology, the computers are going to play a vital role in the field of education. Students, science is a very important thing. That's why in literature the scientific elements and the scientific thoughts and the scientists have written so many stories using the scientific discoveries. Isaac Asimov is a very famous for his sci-fi stories. He is regarded as equal as H.G. Wells. You will know about H.G. Wells more in your next class in Standard 10. Today we are going to start this chapter. This chapter will give you the sense that which kind of schools, classroom and the teachers will be in future. This story was written in 1951, and that time this story was drafted almost 200 years in future. Here you can see in the first page a girl, Margie, is writing a diary, and she is putting the date on the diary 17 May 2157. So you can easily calculate that what is going in the story. This is a complete different sense when we read the stories which have the settings in the future. Student, in this chapter, in this story, you will have two central characters. First is Margie, she is a girl, and second is Tommy, he is a boy. Both are friends, and Tommy found a real book. What kind of real book is this? Why Margie and Tommy are taken as a character? And what will happen in this story will be revealed in the next part. But for this, I am giving you a task to find something special about the writer Isaac Asimov. You know, Isaac Asimov is a Russian name, but this writer was an American. Okay, so we will explore more about this story in the next part. This is enough for the first part. Wait for the next part. Thank you.